Hi, this is Muriel with Miss Cooper's Coop. I'm sorry. I just wanted to really quickly show you 3 birthday cards that I've made this afternoon using the Glitz pack. Beautiful pages. I think I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. Really cute papers. It says $9.99, but I'm sure I didn't pay $9.99 for it. I probably took off the sticker. So the first card that I made is Celebrate. They're all birthday cards. So I used this black doily. I purchased this at Owl and Thistle online. And this chipboard piece is from Close to My Heart. And then I just put some more paper on the inside and did a little stamp, and I'll be signing those. The second one, again, is a birthday card. Same paper pack. This is cute. I haven't used this in a long time. It's actually like a tag you would find in clothing. And I had a bunch of them, and I ran across them. I thought that would be appropriate for this. And then some some Prima Bling with some flowers. Same thing, just a little inside, and I stamped it with a sentiment. And then last is a a birthday card for a friend of mine who is turning 49. So I'm going to give her this one tomorrow. Hopefully she hasn't and not going to look at this video. And then the inside, I'll put a sentiment on it. So I really hope you are inspired by these cards and get out your Glitz pack 8x8 papers and get to making some birthday cards. Take care. Bye now.